with the kid, cop it. Got to. Pull up with a stick, stop it. Stop it. Rich nigga shit, solid. Rich nigga, all 100 pockets rotted.
What's good? You know, it's your boy, 40p, back with another video. Yeah, you dig what I'm saying. Hey, but today, I'm about to be doing something. Don't judge me on this, but today, I'm going to be plasti dipping my wheels.
What? What the fuck?
Yeah, these wheels right here. So I'm gonna be plasti dipping them. I know previously I said I don't really mess with plasti dip like that no more, but man, hey, I'm gonna just do it. I'm gonna go against that. I'm gonna go against my word and just do it anyway. But I mean, I just wanted something different. You know, I'm kind of getting tired of the color. Right now, I got the two wheels off, the two front wheels. I'm gonna clean them and then I'm gonna put the plasti dip on them. And yeah, we're gonna start with the back wheels after that. And then after that, you know, I'm gonna be done with it. But man, like I said, don't judge me on plasti dipping my wheels, man. I'm just doing it. Don't judge me. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna first wash the wheel off with some soap and water. You know, with some little dish soap, some palm olive, whatever, some Dawn, something to get the grease and dirt off. And then after that, I'm gonna spray some of this Meguiar's wheel and tire cleaner. I think that's what it's called. This right here. I'm gonna spray it with some of this. This stuff is real good. That's probably like the best product you can find, you know, on the market. But yeah, I'm gonna put the soap in the bucket, put some water in the bucket, let it foam up. Then I'm gonna start washing the wheels, cleaning the wheels. Then I'm gonna spray the Meguiar's on it.
Younger music.
All right, so now I'm about to spray the wheels with some of this Meguiar's wheel and tire cleaner. And then after that, I'll dry the wheels and then put the plasti dip on. Hey man, so now that I got these wheels clean, I'm about to dry them off. Then I'm gonna apply the apply the plasti dip to the wheels. Put one coat on, let it dry. Then I'm gonna put another coat. I'm gonna try to do 3 coats. I got 1 can for each wheel, so I think that should work. I think 1 can for each wheel should work. So I should have did this earlier, but right now I'm about to set the plasti dip cans to some hot water so that it can warm up. Because right now outside it's pretty cold. It's about 50 something degrees. So I'm gonna put these in the hot water and let them warm up and stuff, and then go ahead and use them. So while I'm letting the plasti dip warm up, I'm gonna pop these center caps out. Now I got the center caps off right here on both wheels. I set them up upright because it's easier to paint them that way, and it's much quicker, and you could cover more area doing that. You could twist the wheel around, you know, it's much easier putting the wheels upright.
I put my heart on my lips, I gave it all I could give. I made it hot at the crib, I kept that fire at the crib. Where you gonna go when you do? How I'ma know for real? I pour a 4 in the field, you already know what it is. I keep a pole in the wheel, cause a lot of these niggas out here envy me. It ain't no hole in the clear, none of my dogs.
I got the first coat on, as you can see. I'm gonna let that dry for 10 minutes, then I'm gonna put another coat on. Right now, I'm gonna start on the second wheel, and then I'm gonna let that dry for 10 minutes, then start back on the first wheel that I started on. Okay, so now I got the first coat on. It's pretty much dry. Now I'm about to apply the second coat on the wheels. Then it'll be a third coat. I might put a fourth coat on because I feel like I have enough paint. I got 4 cans of paint. That might be more than enough. So I might be able to put at least like 5 coats on each. Now you gotta remember, when you're using Plasti Dip, the thing is, the more coats you put on, when you decide to remove it, the easier it's gonna be to take it off. All right, man. So I like how the wheels look with black. Not so much with Plasti Dip. I'm kind of against that, but you know, this time I went with it. You know, it's just temporary. It's just for the winter or until I get tired of it, I guess. And then I'll take it off. Looking at the video and looking at it in person, the car actually looks a whole lot better in person. Not even just, you know, with the wheels Plasti Dip, but just in general, even when the wheels weren't Plasti Dip. When I was looking at the video from a side view, I feel like it's missing something. I don't know if it's like some side skirts or maybe the car needs to be lowered. I think it's because the car needs to be lowered. I think that's what it is. But I feel like I have like a small solution to like actually bring it out just a little bit. So that should be another video. You know, stay tuned, look out for that. Stay tuned for some other videos. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you're not subscribed. Check out my other videos, my previous videos. And this is the end of the video, and I am out.